To put it into four-wheel drive, for auto, you'll just switch it to auto, and you can do this while rolling under 45 miles per hour. I suggest you slow down. It can do damage to your transfer case. To go into full lock 4 high, you'll just twist your knob. If it starts blinking and doesn't accept it right away, you may have to put the vehicle in neutral and let it roll forward just a little bit or backward to let it lock those gears into place. 4 low is usually the most difficult in these. See how it's selected that way? I'm going to let the vehicle roll just a little bit. The light is solid, and you'll see StabiliTrak off, and the vehicle's in 4 low and ready to drive. To go back, you can just select your position to 2-wheel drive. Typically, you'll feel it still wanting to bind a little bit until you've rolled backwards just a little bit. If you've had any kind of real load or whatever reason you were in 4 low, there's a good chance that it'll be bound up a little bit, but rolling backwards a little bit will fully release it even though the light is lit.